warahmatullah students. This is SYEDA Hub, and today we are going to do task 4 of presentation of Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology, May-June 2023. And the task which we are going to do is PowerPoint presentation. So let's start it. Task 4 presentation. So let's start it and read it. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have consistent layout and formatting. Consistent means there should be a similarity in the formatting of all the slides. The font difference should not be there, and the uh, style difference should not be there. Okay, now question number 22. This important point we have discussed. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file J2321 scratch.rtf. Okay, fine. I'm going to open this RTF file, which is created in MS Word in the PowerPoint. Okay, let's do how I will do it. So for doing this thing, I'm going to open a new PowerPoint presentation of, okay, here is the blank presentation. Let me start it. Here they are. And in file, I'm going to open that scratch, browse to follow the path. Okay, so here is the folder, May, June 2023. These are the source files, and here it is. Okay, by default, we are having this PowerPoint presentation format on, but we cannot see anything because there is no PowerPoint presentation file. So I will open and make it all files. So now I can see Excel, Word, all files, even the images. So I want a file of this one. This is created in MS Word RTF file, but I am opening it in PowerPoint. Okay, now here we are having the file. These are multiple slides which are imported from that Word document. Fine, let's go and check what the paper is saying now. We have already opened a file of having 6 slides unless otherwise instructed. You are not supposed to make any changes unless it's instructed. The slide must display a title and a bulleted list. Okay, so here is the title and here is the bulleted list. Okay, they are having everything here. Okay, use the master slide to display. Now, this is an important thing which we are going to start. So be very much vigilant. Display only the following features. Automated slide number on the top right. Fine. So we are going to do all these changes in the master slide. Let's go to the master slide first. In the view tab, we are having one option in the master views group. There is a slide master option. Click this one. Now, whatever you will apply here will be applied on all the presentation slides. Fine. So right away it is on the last portion, but we are not going to take it. We are going to click the first slide, the topmost slide, to make those changes. Okay. Now, first they want us to insert an automated slide number at the top. Okay, there are 2 important points, top right and slide number. Okay, here are the slide numbers. This is my footer and this is the date. So I am going to make it small and I will drag it up towards the top because they want it at this position, top right. I am going to make this box a bit smaller because I don't want to leave the margin of the slide. So I am keeping myself inside. My page number is up there, my footer is here, and the other options are here. So let's see your name, center number, and candidate name number on the bottom left. Okay, bottom is here. So let me write down my name and my center number and my candidate number. So it's written here, but it should be on the left. So I am dragging it to the left side of the slide, bottom left side. Fine. So, but I will not take it out from the margin. I will keep myself within the margin. All the time, be very much vigilant. So try not to leave the margin. Fine. Because the consistency of the document will not be there if you will make your stuff out of the margin. Okay. Now let's see what's next. Source my name, center number, and candidate number is the bottom left. Fine. A 3 to 4 point wide horizontal line about 3 centimeter from the bottom of the slide. Okay. Above your details and across the full width. Okay. One more important thing. We have adjusted these page numbers and our name, center number, but we didn't mention anything that they should be header and footer on each and every page. For this thing, these actually are the dead text boxes or the placeholders. Still, you will go to insert and enable this header and footer. So I need this slide number, so I am checking it, and this footer, my name candidate number, I am checking this one. And if the examiner wants you to mention the date and time which the text box was here, then you will check this option. Okay. Now go to apply to all and hopefully it will be everywhere. Let me press Control S and I'm going and check it out in the normal format. So this is my page number and this is my name, candidate number, and these are automated and they are changing according to the slides and it's done. Now next point is go to the master slide again because all these activities we are supposed to do in the master slide. And I'm moving at the top top slide of the master slide now. So let's see 3 to point wide horizontal line 3 centimeter from the bottom on the slide. Okay. Now you can see these uh, rulers. So we are going to insert shape and this is the line and a rough idea will be 1, 2, 3. This will be the 3 centimeter because 1, 2, 3. So if I will hang here, it will be 3 centimeter from the, I think it should be here. Okay, so now this is 3 centimeter and I am drawing a line, but color is not specified. So I am pressing shift and dragging it towards till the end. Now this is fine. The line is there and it's straight. Now they want us above the detail and across the full width of the slide. Fine, it is having full width above my detail, but one more thing is important. This text box should not be here, so it shouldn't cross or intersect this line. So it should be a bit above. And now outlook of my requirements are 3 centimeter from the bottom and 3 to 4 points wide. Okay, one more thing. This line should be wide. So you can double click it and go to shape outline. Here you are having the width and in the width you can take 3. They are saying 3 to 4. 3 can be taken or from the more lines you can go and adjust the width as well. If I want to make it 4, I can make it here and then I will close it. Now it is having 4 point width. Now make sure that master slide item appears in the same position on every slide. No item overlaps on any slide. Okay, now it's done. So let's go to view and now I am coming in the normal view and from each and every slide, let me examine whether it is perfectly right or it is overlapping somewhere. So I think it's perfect. So let's move forward. Question number 24 is saying format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied with no bullets. Fine. So first slide, I'm going to click my first slide, right click of your mouse, go to the layouts and take the option title slide. So for the title slide, it will select the centered align option and heading and subheading, but there shouldn't be any bullet. But previously there was a bullet. Fine. So this is the characteristics of our title slide, that whenever you are going to make any slide title, it won't have any bullet. So let's move to the next requirement. The title and the subtitle are centered aligned and in the middle of the slide. Fine, it's perfectly done. It is centered aligned and it is in the middle of the slide. Let's proceed to question number 5. Use the data in the file J2321 winners.csv. Now, here is comma separated values, and this file is used in MS Excel. Fine. To create a pie chart to compare the number of race wins by each group. So there are number of races which are mentioned there, which are won by each and every group. So let's go and check it out, what they are asking. The option is this one, 2321 winners. So double click on it. Sorry. Okay, this is the file and I am going to check which stuff we are going to take according to the paper. They didn't ask us to take these labels and they didn't ask us to take these totals. So this is the data which they are requiring from us. So we are taking this data and I am going to proceed, take this data and create a pie chart. Okay, fine. I selected them and then I go to insert, and from there I am clicking the pie chart, and this is my chart as per requirement. So let's check it out. Label the chart with the title percentage wins by the group. So let's paste it in the chart title. Now this is the title of my chart. And next question is format the chart to display only group names and percentages as the sector labels. So we need both of them. We need to display group names and its percentage, both of these things. So let's go and apply. So here are the portions. Go for the data labels. I am clicking the labels. Now the percentages are there, but names are not there. So let's move in with the arrow and data call out. By using this option, we can show both of the stuff. So I'm pressing this one, and this is the situation we are having, that we are having the name and the percentage both. Okay, and position these labels outside each chart sector. Fine, it is outside each chart sector. You can see if we are dragging it a bit away, so it will work like this. So it is already outside the labels. Display the percentage value to 1 decimal places. Okay, now here are the percentages. So they don't want the percentages, they want this value without the percentage in the form of decimals, the accurate one. So what will we do? We will click this requirement, the label data, label data, and go to format data labels. There are multiple options, but there is one more option of number. So from number category, we are changing the category into percentage, and there are 2 decimals. You can see here there are 2 decimals, but I am going to make it 1 decimal place. And now you can see it is in 1 decimal place. So let's check what's next. Position these labels outside. It is already done. And percentage value in 1 decimal places. It is also done. And do not display any legends. Okay, so no legends should be there. I am going back, and these are the legends. So I will go to this plus sign, uncheck this box, so legends will disappear. So now let me me, you, 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 chart a little To proceed, to make it more visible and more clear, I am going to move it like this to make it a bit visible. Okay, and this one here, this one should be a bit. You can see they are connecting actually with the part. So wherever you are placing a bit near or a bit far, it won't leave that portion. So it is like this, and it's quite prominent right away. So let's check out what the paper is asking. Next, emphasize the group with the largest percentage. Okay, the largest percentage, we are going to pull it away a bit, a little away from the groups. Okay, so let's pull it. Click this one right away. Everything is selected. Click once again. Now it is only selected. So pull it away from these groups a little, and the requirement is done. Now place the chart to the right of the bulleted. Okay, fine. So our requirement is done. This chart is ready to paste anywhere. I'm clicking and making it copy. Let's copy it and go to the which group? Scratch group cyclists. Place the chart to the right of the bullets. Okay, so let's move there. Okay, scratch cycle race, overview, race format, and this is scratch group cyclist. You can see this text box is spreaded all over, so I am making it decreasing its width, and now I am pasting my chart here. This is my pie chart. You can drag it and make it a little big, increase the size so it will be more prominent when you will print it. Okay, both the stuff are near to each other, and I think it is fine now. Okay, let's go and check it out. What's next? Place the chart to the right. Okay, it's already done. Right of the bulleted list of this slide. Okay, no word was split. Now these are the stuff which we are going to take care. No word should be splitted, or even in this chart, nothing should be splitted, and each and everything, each and every word is quite perfect. And I am going to check rest of the other slides as well. So here everything is fine. So let's move. No word are split. It is done. All the data and the labels are fully visible. Yes, they are fully visible. The chart and its content do not overlap any slide item. So the slide items in this chart is with this. They shouldn't overlap. So it doesn't mean that you will keep it like this and then you will paste the chart on it. So that's why they are making you make it sure that they shouldn't overlap each other. Now, question number 30. Add the following text as the presenter or a speaker note to the slide with the title Scratch Group Cyclist. So, this text should be displayed as a note of speaker. So, these type of notes never shown while we are making the slideshow. This is for the presenter for its own. So, we are going to copy it and scratch group the same group, and we are going to click this option notes, and on this area we are going to paste it, which are given on the paper. Now it is properly pasted, and the next thing is print only this slide as presenter speaker noted in the portrait orientation. Okay, notes or notes should be there when you are going to print. I am pressing Control P, but you can see there is no note option, note shown here. So for that purpose, I will go and take the option note page the slide with the note. So click this option. Now you can see, and the orientation shouldn't be landscape, it should be portrait. It is fine. Now note is also there, and they want us to print only this slide, but you can see we are having all slides in queue. So if you will give a print command at that moment, all 6 slides will be printed. So we are not requiring this. They are asking only this slide. So I'm clicking the option current slide. And now when you will give the print command, only this slide will be printed. Okay. Now let's proceed. On the slide with the title handicaps. Now this is a next task, title handicap, format the text race director. Now this is the label which we are going to focus on, race director, so that when it click, it open a email editor ready to send an mail to this address with the subject line this. Okay. So now we are supposed to add a hyperlink on the word on the text race director. So let's go and find out the handicap slide. Okay, this is the slide and this is that text called race director. Select this one, move right button, click right button of your mouse and move to link. Link what you want to link. So just click link, and here we are having existing files, place in the document, now email address. So we need this one because they want us to open this stuff. So I selected let me take that email address from there. rd@cambridge.org. I am pressing Control C to copy it and now Control V. This is the place where am I supposed to put the email address and the subject line race handicaps. I'm copying it and placing here at the place of subject. Control V to paste it. Now my layout is ready and I am pressing OK. Now you can see it changes the colors, and with the control key when you will press it this thing, it will ask you where to go, whether Outlook Express and or whether any other means you want to send the mail email. So it is working. So let's check what next the examiner is asking. Place your evidence document, a screenshot showing the links, text, email address, and subject. So we are supposed to show each and everything. So go back to that link, edit link, and keep it with the race director. Now here is the email address, here is the subject, and here is everything. Go for the snipping tool, take a new option, and you can take this handicap slide with the race director and till here, and this is best option we can have. So this thing is also there. Our options are dialog box and slide name is also there. So I am going to copy it and paste it. Okay, and where am I supposed to paste it? On the 31 option. So let me go and open my evidence document, and the option here is 31. So I'm pasting it. Now my heading of step 31 is on the next page, or I can do one more thing, that I can make it a little smaller so it can move upward. So if it is not moving there, don't make it small. Bring that heading near to it. Fine. So this is the evidence which they are requiring. Pressing Control S to save the file and moving towards the paper again. Now save the presentation, print the full presentation as a handout in the uh, portrait orientation with 2 slides to a page. Okay, these are the most important stuff right away. Portrait and 2 slides on one page, each filling half of the page. Okay. Let me go to my presentation. Now it's done. I am going to press Control P And this time I will not take this print current slide. I will take all slides. And from the notes page option, we will change it to the two slides option. So now on each page, we can have these two slides, and we are going to print it or in the form of PDF. Print this one, go to your folder and paste it there, because by using these PDFs, it will be better to save for a good quality and proper visibility. So presentation 4, or I will say PRINT, print presentation 2 per page. Okay. Okay, now I am going to save it, and this is the situation. I can see this is my slide number, and this is name center number, and they are asking to take care of each and everything should be there, and this is my slide. But in this situation they will not give you the view of notes, because the final presentation you cannot have that view. So now it is all from my side. Let's check the question paper once again. What's going on here? Okay, fine, it's done. Now you got a total 18 marks. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. I'll be back very soon to do the database section. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice time.